What is up guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be unboxing the Tecware Phantom 87 key mechanical keyboard, the Outemu blue switches of course. So yeah, let's get into it. So yeah, we're just gonna open up right here. There we go. Simple Amazon packaging. Put that to the side. A little thank you, yes. And here's the keyboard. This is the Tecware mechanical keyboard, 87 inches of course. So it has all of these. Some features of it. It has dynamic pure key backlighting, high quality double shoe caps, all keycap point, 87 layout of course, and a 50 M lifespan switches. This is a hot swatchable, so I could take out these switches and switch it out to like another thing. But yeah, right here we did get the blue ones. Outemu blue. There's also some brown ones and some red ones. Those were off stock, so we got this one. Let me see if I can find a way to open this. There we go. We'll take out the keyboard. Put that to the side. This is a wire, of course, so that to the side. Some more stuff in the box. We have some extra, we have 4 extra blue switches. And we have like a switch thing. I could like take off the switches. We'll open it up. This is the blue switch. You guys can see here. As we see. That's that. We'll also put that to the side. The box to the side. And here we have the keyboard. Very nice. It feels pretty sturdy, to be honest. So yeah, this is like kind of like not a braided cable, but it's a pretty good quality cable. It has this of course, and then it has a USB right here. USB, just regular. And then it has the Phantom branding right here. And it has like a little bit of like a space between the keycaps. As for the back, it has of course the cable and has like a little like outline, so you can like put right here for cable management reasons. Right here it has, I don't know what this is, probably also for the keycaps. And here we have little things, little stands, if that's what's something you're into, like that. But yeah, pretty good keyboard. And now we'll just hook it up to my computer, and then we'll see the RGB lighting. So here we have our keyboard. As you can see, it's all dusty. It's been a couple weeks since I've had it. As you can see, if you press the FN and the equals one, or it says RGB as well, that basically changes the color. You go from like a RGB to like a solid color. And also to the right, you have 6 M keys. That basically changes the design of your RGB lighting. You have blinking, you have to go to the right, you have to go to the left, all that type of stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the RGB lighting on this keyboard. Let me know if you guys want a more in-depth video of this keyboard, like a full review. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I have to hop on in the Zoom class. That's pretty much it for me, guys. Make sure you guys subscribe, smash the like button, and turn on that notification bell so you get notified when I upload. Alright, that's it for me, guys. Laters.